Hi! Welcome to my video series on Tatak Pinoy. Today, we will talk about a very important business known as networking, network marketing, or direct selling. Kahit ano yung tawag ng iba, isa lang talaga ang pag-uusapan natin. MLM or multi-level marketing. I'm sure you will agree with me that this is another alternative for us to realize our dreams. Kasi, kabayan, alam natin na we will never achieve our dreams if we rely on our salaries. Tama? Lalo na pag yung salaries natin less than 3,000 dirhams. Kaya, I strongly recommend multi-level marketing. Pero yung iba kasi, scam yan! Kabayan, before you join any networking or multi-level marketing, you have to be very careful. Una, make sure that they have a business license to operate. Second, they have an office. Third, they have products. And fourth, pag-aralan ninyo yung compensation plan. So, handa na tayo. Let's discover multi-level marketing as the shortcut to achieving financial freedom. I'd like to share with you some names that made it big as far as network marketing is concerned. Let's start. Pag-aralan natin ang achievement nila. Danny Cancho, John Igot. I'm sure if you are from Mindanao, you will know this guy. Dr. Kenneth Lumapas. Mayamang mayaman, achieving financial freedom not as a doctor, but because of multi-level marketing. Mr. Ed Ramos. If you've been into multi-level marketing for so many years, his name rings a bell. Not only in the Philippines, not only in Dubai, but all over the world as well. Ito yung bago kong nakilala. I met him in one of the restaurants here in Dubai. Emilio Gatasilo III. Ito pa, also from Dubai, Rene Kapua. At isa sa mga kilala ko din who carved a name in multi-level marketing, Mr. Jerome Noblesa. Another networker, Mr. Burning Desire himself, Mr. Mark Valle. At fresh from her U.S. stint, mayaman na mayaman, milyonaryang-milyonarya, Hermie Paredes. At ito yung last na i-mention ko. My good friend Anthony Leoterio. One common denominator. Milyon-milyon ang kinita po nila, not because of their profession, but because of one industry known as network marketing or multi-level marketing. Ang daming mga taong nag-venture into networking, pero they quit or they failed. Ano bang meron sa mga taong I mentioned earlier? Una, they have the burning desire to excel. They're hungry. Hungry in terms of achievement. They are willing to go out of their comfort zone. Hindi sila relaxed. They're not satisfied of what they have in the past. They want to excel. Kaya they realize that network marketing is the shortcut to their dreams. Another thing is they live a life by design. Hindi yung life by default. They visualize the kind of life that they would like to have. You still remember Stephen Covey? Begin with the end in mind. They visualize the outcome that they would like to have, and their action on a daily basis led them to what they wanted earlier. Success, right? So yung mga ginagawa nila araw-araw took them to where they want to be in 5 years' time, 10 years' time. In fact, they realized their dreams in less than 10 years. Another quality, they master their skills in network marketing. Ano ba yung mga skills na dapat nating i-master? We need to equip ourselves with product knowledge, compensation plan, prospecting, handling rejection, and presentation skills. They master their craft. That is the reason why they succeed. Another quality that they have, they are willing to help other people. Ang kagandahan nito, kabayan, is they actually don't just concentrate on expanding their network, but they want to build leaders. They want to be duplicated para lalong lalaki yung grupo nila, maraming tao ang matutulungan. They maintain focus. I'm sure during the time when they started, ang daming tumawag sa kanila, ang daming nag-offer ng opportunities. Pero they maintain their focus. Hindi sila naniniwala sa mga hype. They stick to one multi-level marketing all these years. Another trait, they grab the opportunity with sense of urgency. They don't procrastinate. When the opportunity was offered, they grab it. They grab it, they gave their commitment. Sabi nila when they started, I will do whatever it takes. And that is the reason why they are successful in multi-level marketing. Another character trait, they treat the business as their own. Yun ang pinakamaganda, kabayan. I'm sure you will agree with me, no, kung iniisip natin sarili natin, you don't want the business to fail, right? Kaya yung commitment natin andun. Magsisikap tayo. Yun ang diferensya ng involvement at saka commitment. Kasi kung hindi mo kino-consider na sarili mo yung business, ang feeling mo lang involvement. You are just there, you're just a contributor. But if you consider the business as your own, you are committed to exert more effort to make it grow, right? Ito pa. They consider failure as a fertilizer to success. In fact, they accept every failure as a challenge. Para sa kanila, it is part of the process. Kasi success is a process and failure is part of that process. Fail. First attempt in learning. Kaya okay lang sa kanila if they failed in the past. In fact, they are inspired to strive more because of failure. They are enthusiastic as well. Itong mga taong ito, they are always on fire. They're full of life, especially when they present the opportunity to a bigger crowd. Mga kababayan, they want their downlines to follow their path. That is the reason why they're full of life. And lastly, itong mga taong nabanggit ko, they believe that there's no end to the frontier of knowledge. They still study. They believe in continual improvement. Kaya, attend pa rin ng training. Kahit milyonaryo na, attend pa rin. Because they want to learn more. And that should be the frame of mind that we should have. Yan ang mga sikrito ng mga nabanggit kong pangalan. Again, they have one common denominator. Yumaman po sila, hindi sa profession nila, kundi ang industry we call network marketing or networking. Kung kaya nila, kaya nyo, kaya ko. Ito lang talaga ang kailangan natin, mga kababayan. Ito yung mga factors that we need in order to succeed in network marketing. Let's enumerate the factors one by one. First, knowledge. You still remember when we were still studying elementary, high school, and even back in college? We studied more than 100 subjects, 16 years as a student. We invested time, we invested money, right? But do you think, is it worth it? Studying for 16 years just to receive 3,000 dirhams as a monthly check? I don't think so. Kabayan, in network marketing, we will only study 4 subjects. 1, company profile. Number 2, product knowledge. 3, compensation plan. 4, prospecting. And additional subject, how to handle rejections. 5 lang po. Master it. Kaya nga, you attend trainings week after week, not only once. I'm sure naniniwala po kayo, repetition is the mother of learning. When you memorize everything, that would benefit you, because the more you learn, the more you earn. Another factor, mga kababayan, is commitment. When you join a multi-level marketing company, give your best. You join because you don't want your friend who invited you to feel bad. But that is not the right reason, mga kababayan. You join the business because you saw the opportunity. Hindi yung, I'll try, I will do my best. What kung yung best mo not good enough? Diba? You join the business and then do whatever it takes. Yun ang maganda, kabayan. Dapat you exert effort, meron kang deep why. Enough reason for you to do the business so that you will do whatever it takes. Confidence. Kabayan, if you are not ready, if you don't recognize the potential of the business, you will never strive hard to study everything. Confidence, you will only have it when deep inside you, you realize the benefits and the importance that network marketing will bring into your life. You will only have confidence when you are well equipped with the knowledge, the belief that you have in the company. Ito pa, focus. I'm sure network marketing companies abound in all corners. Even if you are already committed to one network marketing company, sigurado yan, merong mag-offer sa iyo, sasabihin, ito, maganda dito, maganda yung compensation plan, maganda yung products. Don't believe the hype, kabayan. Maintain focus. Don't be a multi-level marketing buffet. Sa umaga, nagtitinda ka ng gluta. Sa lunchtime, iba naman yung binibinta mo. Pangpapayat. Sa gabi, iba naman yung binibinta mo. Mahirap yun, kabayan. You will lose focus. And even your members, your downlines, would do the same as well. Monkey see, monkey do. Nakikita nila sa'yo na wala kang loyalty, wala kang focus. And that would ruin your image as a multi-level marketing person. Sabi nga nila, focus. Follow one course until successful. Huwag kang magpapadala, kabayan. That is the secret to success. Maintain your focus. Ito pa, time management. Kabayan, you can never manage time. Time is always 60 seconds a minute, 60 minutes an hour, 24 hours a day. Manage yourself in relation to the available time. That is the reason why we need to have a to-do list. Prioritize things. Segregate your activities. What is important? What is urgent? What is not important? What is not urgent? Prioritize. And also, be aware of the time wasters that we have. Ang dami nating activities na useless. In fact, ninakaw natin yung time natin sa office, Facebooking, playing COC, talking to friends, answering personal emails. Dapat, we should know the activities that will make us productive at a specific time. Pagdating natin sa bahay in the evening, we can do a lot. Calling friends, ang dami mong friends sa mobile phone. Mga friendship mo sa FB, pwede mong i-share yung opportunity. Pero, anong ginagawa? Nanonood ka ng teleserye, di ba? FB! Make use of your time, kabayan. Ito pa, persistence. Kailangan natin ito, perseverance. I'm sure when somebody offered you the business, you are being promised with the opportunity to grow financially, right? Kitaan ang laki. 100,000 dirhams in 6 months. Kaya sumigaw ka ng power! And you realize after 6 months that it's not easy after all. So iba na yung tono ng power mo. Power! Because you realize the hardship. Kabayan, maintain your momentum. If you are on fire when you started the business, you should be on fire all the way. Don't be discouraged. It's part of the business, as I mentioned earlier. Hindi yung ningas kugun tayo, no? We are only good when we start. Tapos, pag merong i-offer, sali na naman, umpisa na naman. Start without reaching the finish line. Kabayan, maintain, focus, be persistent, sustain the momentum all the way. And that is the secret to multi-level marketing. Ito pa. Don't treat downlines as peso sign or dirham sign. You share the opportunity because you want to help your friends. You want to help other people achieve financial freedom. Kung yan ang intent mo, kabayan, yung mga rejections na yan, it will never harm or ruin you. Kasi yung isip mo, you will feel good every time you help a person financially. Yun ang sikreto, kabayan. Kung kaya ng mga nabanggit kong personalities, kaya ko, kaya mo yan, kabayan. It's just a matter of applying the right attitude. Sabi nga nila, your attitude will determine your altitude in life. Hindi pa po huli ang lahat. We can still achieve financial freedom, not because of our linear income, the salary, a day's pay for a day's work, but in this industry called multi-level marketing, there is no limit to the income that you can get by working on it, maintaining focus and the burning desire to achieve your dreams and get financial freedom. Thank you for watching my video.